we're introducing a clinically validated hearing test with your AirPods Pro and
A
iPhone.
free hearing test?
It's a
With
simple
the
5-minute
AirPods?
check you can take from the comfort of your own home.
Kinda cool.
All you need to do is tap the screen when you hear a series of tones at different volumes and frequencies. The hearing test builds on learnings from the Apple Hearing Study and was developed using large-scale real-world data. And it was validated against the clinical gold standard of pure tone audiometry. Once you're done, you'll see easy-to-understand results in a
Dude, that's
personalized
cool,
hearing
bro.
profile. And like the rest of your health data, these results will be stored privately and securely in the Health app, where you can take regular tests, learn more about hearing loss, and share your results with your healthcare provider.